Hello guys, welcome to WhatVwant, a technology vlog.
In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to record Mac screen in 16:9 format with QuickTime Player. For more information, visit our article, link provided in the description.
If you are new to our channel, click on the red color subscribe button and don't forget to hit the bell icon.
Without any delay, let's get started.
First, let us see why and when you need to record your Mac screen in 16:9 format. Most video editors support the 16:9 aspect ratio. However, Macs have a native 16:10 screen resolution. If you record your Mac screen in 16:10 and edit it in a 16:9 compatible editor, you'll end up with unwanted black bars on the sides. To avoid this issue, it's recommended to record your Mac screen in the 16:9 format. Recording in 16:9 format ensures compatibility with most video editors and eliminates black bars. Recording your Mac screen in 16:9 format can be challenging due to its native 16:10 resolution. Now, let us see recording your Mac screen in 16:9 with QuickTime Player. To start a new screen recording in QuickTime Player, right-click on the QuickTime Player icon and select New Screen Recording, or press Command+Shift+5. To maintain a 16:9 aspect ratio, resize the screen recording window to the desired width, then apply the following formula to calculate the corresponding height. Width divided by height equals 16 divided by 9 equals 1.78. Now corresponding height equals width divided by 1.78. For example, your required window width is 1667 pixels. Now the height will be 1667 divided by 1.78 equals 936 pixels. Adjust the screen recording window to the calculated dimensions, 1667 by 936, for a 16:9 aspect ratio. Like this, you can adjust the width and height according to your requirements, using the 16:9 ratio formula to ensure the correct aspect ratio. I hope you like this tutorial. For more information, visit our article, link provided in the description. Subscribe to our channel for regular updates. And don't forget to hit the bell icon.